Ta-da! Easy no-bake homemade caramel tart. Today you're about to learn how to make the easiest caramel tart with peppermint crisp using only 4 ingredients. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 packet of Tennis Biscuits, 1 can of caramel, 1 peppermint crisp chocolate, and 125 grams of salted butter. An optional extra is 1 tub of cream, but I am not using cream in this recipe. Step 1 is to melt 125 grams of butter. Turn that scale on. 127 grams, 2 grams over, that is sufficient. Step 2 is to crush these Tennis Biscuits. Step 2 is to crush these Tennis Biscuits, and I think the easiest way is to crush them into a resealable bag. Crushed Tennis Biscuits. Here I've got the melted butter and I am adding in the crushed Tennis Biscuits. Pour the crushed biscuits into a dish. Spread the biscuit mixture into a 20 centimeter squared dish, or whatever dish you have at home. Press down well. Using the same mixing bowl, open your can of caramel and decant so that you can stir and soften the caramel. If you would like to use cream, now would be the right time to add the cream to the caramel. Smooth and ready to place on top of the biscuit base. This is more difficult than it looks. Yes, I'm using my finger. My fingers are clean. Crush and sprinkle 1 peppermint crisp over the top. Basic peppermint crisp tart. Prepped and ready to set for about 2 hours so that the biscuit base can harden. Ta-da! Easy homemade no-bake caramel tart. It's perfect.